So today EduBard has come up with the NPCI Recruitment Drive 2021. So first of all, for those of you who don't know what exactly EduBard is, so EduBard is an educational platform that helps students keep updated with the latest job and internship opportunities as well as the free courses that are being offered by the most premium institutes across India. So this is the NPCI Recruitment Drive 2021 as the graduate engineer trainee. Okay, so looking at the overview, National Payments Corporation of India has invited the applicants to hire graduate engineer trainee in Mumbai, Hyderabad or Secunderabad, Chennai, India. Interested candidates can apply for this. So, National Payments Corporation of India is an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India. This is an initiative of the Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association (IBA) under the provisions of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 for creating a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in India. So, the responsibilities that a candidate will have. So, first of all, the questions are you aspiring to work on emerging technologies and proven digital payment platforms? They are looking for a fresher in various emerging technologies at NPCI. You may apply if you are smart young innovator with. So these are some of the skill sets: digital first mindset, result oriented, go better, DIYs that are do it yourself, can deal with dynamically changing ambiguous situations, research maniac, ability to evaluate pros and cons of every situation, and ensures accountability. So the required skills. So these were some of the responsibilities, or we can say the mindset that a candidate must have. So the required skills are knowledge in OS, that is Linux OS, TCP/IP, routing protocols, switches, firewalls, load balancers, and VLAN. Ability to design and develop software. The preferable languages are Java and Python. Knowledge of data models Spark SQL, PySQL, PySpark, and Hive programming. Good understanding of machine learning, deep learning, and NLP algorithms. So, machine learning is the coming future in the IT industry. Now, understanding of blockchain fundamentals, smart contracts, consensus programs, algorithms. Develop POC or run pilot on a specific blockchain platform. Basic knowledge in fundamentals of cloud computing, virtualization, and OpenStack. Good knowledge of containers, OpenShifts. Good with data sampling and data processing techniques to create models on skewed datasets. Intricately involved in running analytical experiments in a methodical manner and frequently evaluate alternate methods via theoretical approaches. So these are some of the mandatory requirements. So the basically the things that will help you qualify. The qualification must be a BE or BTech, that is bachelor's in engineering or bachelor's in technology in the fields of computer science, IT, or electronics and communication. The batches 2017 to 2021 and 2016 to 2020. The eligibility criteria is that the candidate must hold at least 75% in his 10th standard, at least 65% in the 12th standard, 60% as his aggregate in BTech, and 60% as his aggregate in MTech. So the required experience is 0 to 2 years. So even a newbie can apply to this. And the job location, as we already told, that is Hyderabad, Mumbai, or Chennai. The required skill set that we have already discussed, but these are some of the the overview of the skill sets that a candidate must have: a better understanding of algorithms, familiar with languages like Java and Python, machine learning, deep learning, Linux operating systems, at least one of the blockchain frameworks such as Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda, Ethereum, fundamentals of cloud computing and cloud infrastructure, mainly OpenStack. The perks and benefits: 5 lakhs fixed and TCTC is 6.35 lakhs. This is a full time job opportunity. The location, as we have already discussed, you can just go to the EduBard website and click on apply here. So you will be directed to this page where you can just click on apply. So, as we have already discussed, the job is for graduate engineer trainee. You can just, we have already discussed all these, and in case you are looking for more details, you can just go to their official website. The key skills you can just find, you can click on them, know about them. So let me just tell you about the company profile. So National Payments Corporation of India, we have already discussed this, so I'll just go here. NPCI has products like RuPay debit, credit and prepaid cards, UPI Unified Payments Interface, BHIM Bharat Interface Money, AEPS Aadhaar Enabled Payment Services, CTS Check Truncation System, IMPS Immediate Payment Services, NFS, NACH, NETC Bharat Bill Pay, and many more. For more detailed information on the vision, mission, objectives, and products and services, you can just go and log into this link. So you can also find the contact details, the website, and this all is here. We have already discussed about the salary. The role category is programming and design. The role is software developer. So you can just go and read about the salary. You also have the links for the LinkedIn, Twitter, as well as the Facebook profile. All you have to do is click on this apply, and you can apply for this opportunity. Thank you.